Sidekick's the best kick.
Yeah. Well, sidekicks don't work.
Sidekicks is
Perfect.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are on our way to Charlotte. I'm not driving this time. I'm gonna try and get this full intro in before I start driving. Seminar in Charlotte at Fit to Fight with Shane Fazen, which is so cool. Do some clinch work. I think there's some self-defense stuff, there's some striking, and then there's some jiu-jitsu. I, as of 2 days ago, hurt my shoulder pretty bad. Like the first time I've been injured in like a year. So like anything above here, pretty much what happened is, so I've been doing like a lot of scapular work, right? Like really trying to get used to moving it more. And on this side, I heard this click and I was like, huh, it's clicking. And it would go click, 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 and it didn't hurt at all. So I just kept going and I was like, what is that sound? I was trying to figure out what it was. I think what happened is, as I was doing it, it was just irritating that tendon more and more because it was probably clicking over top of a joint. Click, click, because it was inflamed. And the more it went click, 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 irritating it, so now it's probably like uber inflamed. So what I'm gonna try and do is take a couple Tylenol and just fight through it, because I also have a competition next week. Anyway, so that's where we are. I am about to head out. It's about a 3-hour drive, and I have to be there by 11. It is 7:37 in the morning. Cool driving montage. Safe driving montage. And we're off. I'm really close, and I'm really nervous. Back to South and then slide. Push off, always push off the clinch. Alright, never just let go. Now you're in the clinch, go for the knees, next let go. So, he throws the jab, this is the drill. Step in with the elbow. Elbow, and just kind of sneak this arm in through. This high clinch, little bump, both hands. Just simulate these. You don't actually have to make contact for today. Favorite non-traditional martial arts kick, like something that's like, yeah.
Favorite non-traditional.
Sure, unorthodox is a better way to put it. Sure, conventional would be a better way.
Does the sidekick count? Sidekick's the best kick.
Yeah. Well, sidekicks don't work.
Sidekicks aside, you know what I've been doing a lot of sparring now is crescent kicks and axe kicks.
Which direction?
Well, what I like about both striking with your heel through the guard. And again, why I like having dexterity and flexibility in my hips and my legs is because I like being able to decide where my kicks go the same way I can decide where my punches go. I want to go in between the guard and under the chin with an uppercut. I should be able to do the same thing with the front snap kick. If I want to go over top of the guard, I should be able to do the same thing with the axe kick over top. So those, I mean, the other thing that I like too is the traditional Muay Thai guys, if you wind up like this, they know it's going to be a right kick, and they're going to protect either the left side of their body or center. but it's rarely anything over here. But when you go here, they protect that side of the body. Then I got that. I got what do you call it, like the twist kick, right? Or the hook kick. So that's what I like, being able to throw with the right and hitting to the right. Like that. There's like 4 different ways I can do it. Like this is the first way I'll try, this is the second way, this is the third. I'm gonna skip the third or something. You see this a lot of times, especially with skates. You see it with the skates a lot. Right? And when it comes to mine, for me, it's a triangle escape. It's a very late triangle choke escape. And people, I see people that could have gotten away with earlier escapes go straight to this triangle one because it's like the coolest. Had success with it. And then off here, over, and I from here to scroll this way here and head down and squeeze. The first one is more on okay, here. It's one line on 2 of hers that way. This. On this one that we're doing now, it's just be flat on flat. This is what makes it stronger. This one. Right? So from the defensive standpoint, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to get my hips lower and my hips away. So I'm going to get my hips low and make some space. Nobody's going to try to pick up and get back like this. Right? You're going to get close, you're going to be in your knees, and you're going to lift. So I'm going to sprawl my hips away, and as I do that, I'm going to get heavy with my arms at her elbows. This way. Okay? Now from here, if I got a grip break, and I did, I might be able to just pass to this. And now it's just an arm drag.
Okay, so we are all done with the seminar. I just got some food in me. I'm on this little back road, and I am so tired. I'm about 3 minutes away from my house. It's been a long day. I've driven about 6 hours total today. I did about 6 hours of seminaring, and everything was great. I had an awesome time. You've seen all the clips. Shane's an incredibly nice guy. It was really nice to meet him. We had talked on social media before, but we hadn't met in person. Super nice guy. Learned some great stuff. Met some really nice people. I hope it hasn't been too dark this whole time. If it has, I'm sorry. It's so late. I'm so tired. Is that better? Maybe a little bit. Yeah, I'm so gassed right now. I had an awesome day. Wanted to bring you guys along. I hope you enjoyed this. Like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Share it with your friends. I'm still not good at this. Just do anything that everybody else tells you to do for their channel, and then just apply that for mine.